Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make this model CS socket. Okay, just do it and then click on your NXSIEMENS. Click twice. Okay, you can see the motorcycle, car, and then still waiting for the opening of software. Okay, click the new and then give the name. The name is 3.13 GS socket and then enter. Okay, sorry, file is already make it. Okay, I'm going to snipping tools and click the new and then this. I will make this model from the side view. From this view I will make like this. Okay, minimize and then click sketch and then click this plane and then click OK. After that you click on this profile, just this point to this, to this, this, and this, also this, to this. Okay, click this, right click, click this, and vertical. Okay, after that I will give the dimension of this model. For this is 64 and then enter. After that I'm going to give this to this is 56. Going to the rapid dimension from this to this line is 56. Enter. And then from this thickness is 18. Okay, right double click and then enter. For this height 36 and 36, so click D on your keyboard and then click this line to this line and then 36 plus 36 and then enter. After that I'm going to make this hole. Okay, but I will make on the last. Okay, so select extrude command, click this line, going to the trimetric view, and then I'm going to the symmetric value. The width is 76. I will give 76 and then slash or divide it into 2. Enter and then apply. After that I'm going to make this radius. How many radius can make it? Okay, no, first I will make this hole, a rectangular hole. Click this sketch, click this and then OK. After that just the rectangle going to this and then like this, and then just this line and then click horizontal. After horizontal you can define the dimension. The dimension is 50 and then 38. 50 and then this 38. Okay, I will choose this line from the center to the center, and then click on this, choose the horizontal. After that, you must give the dimension. The dimension is 13. Click this, and then define the dimension is 13. Enter. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained. I will finish the sketch, going to trimetric view, and then extrude. Click this line, going back, and then subtract. After that, you can drag and then apply. Okay, after that I will make this hole. The diameter is 25. Click this sketch, select this area, and then OK. After that, click this, and then from this to this, give dimension 25. Enter, and then click D on your keyboard, click this area to this 36, and then from this to this is 32. Click this rapid dimension, click from this to this, and then 32. Enter. Sketch is fully constrained. Finish, and then going to the trimetric, and then extrude. Just this circle, reverse the directions, and then drag, apply, and then done. Okay, after that I will make these ribs. How to make this rib? Sketch, click this plane because in the center. Okay, click this line from this point to this point, and then finish sketch, and you must going to the more, and then going to the ribs. After going to the ribs, you must select the curve, like this. Okay, and give the thickness. The thickness is 22. Enter. And then /2. Apply. Okay, I will check first. Going to the analysis, measure the distance from this side to this side is 11. Okay, but in this need 22, so I will edit this rib and give the dimension is 22. Enter. Click OK. After that, you can make this radius. Okay, I will make it. Just the edge plane, just this and this, and then /2. Okay, apply, and then cancel. Okay, the model is already done. To hide this sketch, you must go into the render, and then you are going to the view, click show and hide, and then select this and select this. After that, click close, and then going to the trimetric view. And if you wanna change the color of these models, you must go into the render, click through shading, and then material objects. I will choose this. Okay, sorry, right click, and then okay, global material, select this or select this. Okay, select this, might be better. Okay, this is your model already done. If you have any question, if you have any suggestion, give your suggestion on your comment. Okay, thank you. Save.